anything more than what we know is under the very own filmmaker, the very own videographer, the very
I didn't think
what you've been doing is great. Like, can you tell me what are the challenges that you think are coming on your way now that you are doing?
hate from people, the unnecessary attention, but then like London, I've done it before. So I know how to take a punch. So and
Hey, what's good, Buffett? To Butch Enamandla, also known as Usivo Anamambi, Inzalelwane Kaya Simtanzane, Kosavili Napabaninzi Konabati Kusimtanzane Heights. Senamkela Kakinkobo to called Butch Enamandla Chatz, and this is only just the intro. Let's go, Kayeke man.
What we know is under the very own filmmaker, the very own videographer, the very own pitch taker, the moment that we really enjoy. So Anna, tell me more. What did you start to remember about this talent of God-given talent to make these feelings that are understanding?
I'm making and just listening I didn't camera because Nangena is a special effects makeup artist. I like it as a producer, so Nangena is the second camera assistant. I didn't really like thinking that part of Jabon up until the video. The color and the camera they operate and whatnot.
That's when that comes into life. Now, what you've been doing is great. Like, can you tell me what are the challenges that you think are coming on your way now that you are doing? Because I know with everything that you do in life comes with your own challenges.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what are the challenges that you think you are facing right now?
The challenges that I've been facing hate from people, the unnecessary attention, but then like London, I've done it before. So I know how to take a punch. So and so that we have like goals in what we are doing, maybe in short term or mid-term goals or long-term goals, because I've saw that you're kind of approaching people who are doing right now. And people maybe they are complaining that we are not being that much. No, I'm joking. But what are your goals in whatever that you are doing? What is it that you want to achieve? We're gonna wrap it like this, everybody's prime time show news. Empire is on the mic. It's everything that is going on here.